Hello, this is my name is Ardias Otrave, and this is my litter survey presentation. Um, my section is 421. Litter survey locations. The yellow is the Little Elm Beach. The green is the Little Elm Amphitheater. The black one is the Little Elm Beach entrance. These are the north facing and the scale. All of these were surveyed on the 8th and the 9th of October. Little Elm Beach site. The area surveyed was 18,351 feet squared. I found out that there was more litter found on the first than the second, and I found that out because Little Elm Beach is actually a private beach, meaning they cleaned after themselves every single day. The second location is the Little Elm Amphitheater. The area surveyed is 28,980 feet square, and there was more litter found on the second day than the first day because there on the second day there was a festival, meaning more people came, and which meant that more people littered than the first day. The third location is Little Elm Entrance, and the area surveyed is 30,340.03 feet squared. On both days, I found the same amount of litter. And yeah, these are the pie graphs of what the litter was made out of. In the beach, mostly litter was made out of carbon plastic. In the amphitheater, most of it was made out of carbon, meaning like mask and stuff. And then in the entrance, most of it was cigarette butts or carbon plastic fiber. For litter type data graphs, as you can see, most of the litter was used for as beverage holders or like used for smoking and stuff. And it was mostly found on the beach. It's also said that the beach was more densely littered for beverage types. These are all the chemical components. Cigarette, nicotine is found, and then ammonium. Ammonium is found in the cigarette paper. For litter, aluminum can. Component 1 is aluminum. Component 2 is tin-coated steel. The third litter is Bengal, and it's made out of glass and calcium carbonate. Nicotine isn't very degradable and is very toxic to organisms. If they eat it, they will just die. Ammonium is easily degradable, and one long-term effect is ammonium pollution, which basically directly damages leaves. Aluminum is very hard to degrade and can cause aluminum toxicity. If plants absorb this, it stops cell growth because it blocks cell divisions. Tin is also hard to degrade. It takes 50 to 100 years to decompose, and if this gets into aquatic organisms, they just die. Glass is hard to decompose, and if eaten, can kill. Calcium carbonate is a major contributor to CO2 emissions and can decrease dry matter as a long-term effect and is very easily degradable. This is my presentation, and thank you for listening.